What's up guys, Surge here. So many smartphone manufacturers are nowadays shifting to the notch trend as they believe that it's the most appropriate way to increase the display area on a mobile phone. While all of them appears to be an iPhone copy here, HTC maintained its upcoming flagship to be more satisfying as we'll not have to adopt a bug on the top of our screen. Instead of that, we'll have the usual bezel-less design with 4 cameras, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. It's been a while since we all are discussing about the HTC U12 Plus, and now a Chinese source has leaked the specs of this upcoming flagship. As per the leaked sheet, HTC U12 Plus will come with a 5.5-inch Quad HD Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front. The device will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which would be expandable up to 2TB via a micro SD card. The dual SIM phone will likely run Android Oreo based Sense UI with the 2.0 version of Edge Sense that should bring some enhancements to HTC's frame squeeze functionality. On the camera front, the U12 Plus will reportedly come with a 12-megapixel primary sensor with f1.5 aperture, Ultra Pixel 4 technology and ultra-speed autofocus along with optical image stabilization. There are rumors that the U12 Plus rear camera will also be getting a secondary 16-megapixel sensor, although its functioning is not cleared yet. On the front, the U12 Plus is said to come with two 8-megapixel sensors with optical image stabilization, so the camera is a highlighting point of HTC U12 Plus, and I've also got a leak suggesting the DxO mark of Ultimate Beast, and as you can see, it's topping the list. However, it's not shocking as HTC owns some of the best technologies in terms of camera. Additionally, the U12 Plus will support HTC's U-Sound technology and also Boom Sound along with high-resolution support. Although the battery capacity is unknown, the U12 Plus will reportedly support Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4.0 as well as QI wireless charging. The phone is further said to be IP68 certified for dust and water resistant. So the specs sound so good, and if they are real, then nobody can stop HTC to rule the market once again. That said, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.